if you want to become an entrepreneur, and we're very serious about it, throw the business plan in the dustbin. Okay, it's a very popular saying about it. That means if someone is really interested to do something, definitely that person, he or she, will do it, irrespective of whatever hindrances and limitations he or she may face. I think that's. But having said that, there is a role of mentor. Today, gone are those days, maybe 20 years, 30 years back, we did not have the mentoring system, but today we have. We have Startup India, we have Digital India, okay, and so many. Mentor of Change by Hotel Incubation. A lot of mentoring mechanism, ecosystem is there. Like there's a very popular one, Startup Lanes, another one, Mumbai Angel Network. A lot of people are there, those who have the expertise in this area. How does it help? Those who have hands-on experience in startup, okay, those people come with experience and give you some guidelines. That helps your learning phase, right? That gets squeezed and you become fast. Whatever you want to do, whether it is incubation or you want to register. Otherwise, you have to learn, make error, again relearn. That process becomes very, very lengthy. So your gestation period, right, it gets longer. We have to reduce the gestation period so that the pressure on your finances or the stress level, whatever an entrepreneur goes through, that reduced. Now, what we are supposed to do if we want to build any product and service and want to become entrepreneur, I'll try to simplify. Okay. Then I said, see, you start some connected business. Diversification is of two types. One is disconnected. You are in publication, you start a sweet shop. Okay. But you are in publication, you start Xerox, you start book stall. Okay. Then you start selling this pen, pencil, right? So I said, anyhow, you have an office, right, in BTM layout. So what you do, the front, you can make a stationery shop selling pencils and all those kind that can take care of day-to-day expenses, right? Then going forward, see, most of the stationery shops, what is the revenue? Can anyone tell me? You all are from Kasturinagar, right? Majority. Okay, then, whatever it is. Now, these stationery shops, those who are selling pen, pencil, register, or cleaning materials, okay, photocopying, printout, what is their major sources of revenue? And before selecting the topic for the annual convention, we generally have a discussion what could be the topic, emerging topic, which at least will have some benefits, takeaways from the conference. Let us not have a very simple topic, right? Now today everyone is talking about artificial intelligence, and we know the kind of laid off in Tesco, 15,000 in Tata, right? Few months back, and so many other companies, even in the Google, there are a lot of laid off because of the artificial intelligence intervention, and we can also feel it in academia, like all the project assignments, everything is available at ChatGPT on command. But let us not discourage artificial intelligence. Let us not afraid of artificial intelligence. It is going to remain there. We need to transform ourselves, how we can make better use of AI, okay, for our own workplace and for the future of the human. Other day I was reading in the news that in China created a robot, lady robot, which has given birth of another robot. See, the level of the progress in the edtech or in the science, it's tremendous, and we must make use of it.